So I wanted to hop on here this morning and provide a bit of background and a very, very strong recommendation for the Saras team. For background quickly, I am currently the CFO at a very fast growing sports nutrition company that is almost predominantly direct to consumer. 90% of our revenue today is through our e-com website and direct to consumer, as well as Amazon. And when I joined the firm as CFO just over a year ago, and I have about 15 years of corporate finance experience and transaction advisory experience, and I understand because of that experience the necessity of having data at your fingertips and being able to use that data to make quick decisions. When you have a business that is growing very quickly, that momentum is very critical. And if you're stuck in neutral and not able to make decisions, it can very quickly slow down the pace of growth. And so I knew in order to maintain this rate of growth, as we were scaling into more challenging areas, that we were going to need data. And the company, when I joined, did not have, a single point of truth for its data, for its customer cohorts, for its customer behavior. That was. So I set out and I looked at, you name the software platform, I probably took a look at it as a consideration for the company that I'm at. And they all force you into a very tight lane. And each of these lanes that I was being forced into by these different software providers were missing one piece or another, or just weren't quite custom, because we are a fairly unique business. And there's certain things that we wanted to see that these software providers didn't offer. And so when I met Saras, I instantly saw the opportunity to build something completely customizable. It is the most bespoke, unique, customizable platform that we now have at our fingertips because of the Saras team. They were fantastic from the get-go in terms of understanding a simple business problem. I can communicate a business problem. I can communicate a certain piece of data that I want to see, and within a week, they can come back with a solution or an option for how we could, view this data going forward. So what I have now, a year later, having invested 12 months with Saras now, is I have a Tableau dashboard, one single point where I can log in and I can see information that you would otherwise have to go find in Shopify, Recharge, which is our subscription service, our email providers in Klaviyo. I mean, all of this different data, Google Analytics, it all funnels into one place and it updates daily. Refreshes. I can see how many new customers we acquired, how many customers have repurchased in a given month. We are very, very analytical in tracking the lifetime value of customers, in consideration to our customer acquisition cost, or LTV to CAC. I can see all of this in one place, and it was built entirely customized by the Saras team. Cannot recommend them enough. If you're a CFO or you're in performance marketing or you're on the digital team and you feel like you're lacking data or understanding as to how your customers are behaving and how things are trending in real time, they are a fantastic partner. The last thing I'll say, as you think about your business 2, 3, 4 years from now, if you have an interest in eventually selling your business, I have a lot of transactional experience as well as being a CFO, and having this type of platform or dashboard at your fingertips from a sell side readiness standpoint is worth its weight in gold. The perception of an investor or an ultimate buyer of your business, if they see you investing this type of energy into and being able to organize your data in such a way, communicates a lot about you as a management team and will give so much confidence to an investor or to a buyer that you have the data that you need to now go make decisions to scale. If they're going to invest in your business, They don't want to spend the first 6, 9 months gathering data and trying to understand what's going on. They want to see that you have that information, you have that data, you're just looking for this investment to scale. You already know what you need. And this dashboard will pay for itself 10 times over. The data that we have will pay for itself 10 times over when we go to market one day and try to sell our business. So long-winded way, I'm gushing, but cannot recommend these guys enough. They've been a fantastic partner. I know it's a big decision as a CFO, but cannot recommend them enough. Love the Saras team, and so happy to have recorded this for you guys.